Good morning students. Namaskar. I am Priyanka Parekh from New Era Global. First we will do a prayer. So join your hands and close your eyes. Speak with me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmade Guru Dev Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmade Gurudev Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmade Gurudev Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmade Gurudev Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmade Gurudev Namaha. Now rub your hands, keep on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Okay, now we will do a revision of our sight words. Words कहाँ use होते हैं? For framing the sentence. She. Me. He. Be. Am. At. Us. My. Up. If. In. By. It. Is. We. Why. Go. To. On. No. Or. See. An. A. So. This is our sight words. Sight words are used for framing the sentence. Revision of our last class. What we have done in our last class? Ugh words. Okay. What is this? Hug. Hug means क्या कर रहे हैं? ये आपकी मम्मा भी आपको ऐसे हग करती है ना, वैसे इसमें ये इसकी मम्मा इस बॉय को हग कर रही है. व्हाट्स द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ एच? ह. What's the phonic sound of U? What's the phonic sound of G? G. Hug, hug, hug. Now, what is this? This is bug, 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 bug. बग क्या है? इंसेक्ट है या बर्ड है? इट्स एन इंसेक्ट। और कौन से कलर का है? इसका ये बॉडी है रेड कलर की होती है और ये ऊपर उसके ब्लैक कलर के डॉट्स होते हैं और ये इसका फेस होता है और ये इसके लेग्स होते हैं। ओके, व्हाट्स द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ बी? ब। व्हाट्स द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ यू? अ। व्हाट्स द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ जी? ग। बग। Now, what is this? This is a cute dog. This is a cute dog. ये कौन सा डॉग है? पग। इसका रियल नेम क्या है? पग ब्रीड है, मीन्स ये पग डॉग है। हम इसको किस नाम से पहचानते हैं? वोडाफोन डॉग के नाम से, बट इसका रियल नेम क्या हुआ है? पग। पग, 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 पग। What's the phonic sound of P? P. What's the phonic sound of U? A. What's the phonic sound of G? G. Pug. Now, what is this? This is the water jug. This is the water jug. What's the phonic sound of J? J. What's the phonic sound of U? A. What's the phonic sound of G? G. Jug. Okay. What is this? This is milk cup or coffee cup. What's the phonic sound of M? What's the phonic sound of U? What's the phonic sound of G? G. Mug. Okay. We will do a small activity. Look at the pictures and their names. Look at the pictures and their names. मीन्स उसमें क्या बोला है? अपने को पहले पिक्चर आइडेंटिफाई करनी है, मतलब पहचानना है, फिर उसका वर्ड यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे। ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? ये गर्ल क्या कर रही है? ये मम, मीन्स अपने मुंह पे जिसने फिंगर रखा है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मम। मम। So what we will write here? Mum. 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 Now next, what is this? This is हम मैथ्स में जो this is sum. Okay, this is sum. So ये कहाँ हम कौन से सब्जेक्ट में पढ़ते हैं? ये मैथ्स सब्जेक्ट में। ओके, दिस इज द साइन ऑफ प्लस, मीन्स 3 + 1 = 4। ओके, सो हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? सम। 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 नाउ नेक्स्ट, दिस इज द बॉटल ऑफ अ गम। मीन्स गम कहाँ यूज होता है? कोई भी चीज़ों को हमें स्टिक करना होता है तब गम यूज करते हैं। तो वी विल राइट हियर गम। 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 ओके, topic is words. Words. Okay, first you have to write today's date here. Okay, then you will write here CW. And what's our subject? Our subject is English. Okay, now first gum क्या होता है? जो ग्लू स्टिक जिसमें हम यूज करते हैं फॉर स्टिकिंग पर्पस, को चिपकाने के लिए एक्टिविटी वगैरह करते हैं तब हम गम का यूज करते हैं। व्हाट्स द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ जी? ग। गम। व्हाट्स द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ जी? ग। व्हाट्स द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ यू? अ। व्हाट्स द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ एम? गम। 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 gum, 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 gum. Next, what is this? Mum. Mum means चुप होना, फिंगर ऑन योर लिप्स जैसे हम बोलते हैं वैसे मम. What's the phonic sound of fan? What's the phonic sound of you? What's the phonic sound of fan? Mum. 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 Now next, some. What's the phonic sound of S? What's the phonic sound of U? What's the phonic sound of M? Some. 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 Gum, mum, some. This is our English textbook Peekaboo English Magic. Now we will open the page number 73. Okay. So first you will write here the date and CW. Okay. This is your homework. Now we will read the rhyme. This is your classwork. Now rhyme time. Okay. Page number 72. Okay. Let's read. Mum. I am mum. These are sums. I do my sums. Yum. The bun is yum. Once again. Mum. I am mum. These are sums. I do my sums. Yum. The bun is yum. Now this is your homework in English worksheet, page number 51. First you will write here the date, today's, okay, and you will write here HW. HW means homework, okay. Start. Some, you also write with me, and some, Now next, gum, gum. Now mum. mum. Okay, now first we will read our mum words. Pum keeps mum. Pum keeps mum. Mum likes to do some. Pum likes to do some. Pum likes to do some. He has a hum. He has a hum. The hum is yum. The hum is yum. The ham is yum. Once again we will read. Pum keeps mum. Pum keeps mum. Pum likes to do some. Pum likes to do some. He has a ham. He has a ham. The ham is yum. The ham is yum. Let's read and learn words. Okay. Now we will draw a picture. First, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, and again sleeping line. Means which shape is this? This is we will do a picture of a sum. Okay, what we will do like this? It means sum. This is the picture of a sum. Okay, now again you have to draw a square and you will draw a glue picture. This is the glue used for sticking the pictures and all. Now again we will draw a square and we will draw a mum. Okay, this is your homework in worksheet page number 51. Classwork is in English textbook page number 73. And what's our homework? Homework is English worksheet page number 51. Classwork is English textbook page number 73. And homework is English worksheet page number 51. Now I am ending the session. Okay, hope you understand and you will do your homework and classwork properly. Okay, bye. Take care. Have a nice day.